Hey there Charmers, it is Suzanne here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a soft glam eye look that's going to be perfect for back to school, back to work, whatever that you may need to do, and you can get it done in under 5 minutes. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and jump in. So Charmers, the very first thing that I did was apply an eye base to my eyes. You could also use concealer. This will ensure that your shadows will stay vibrant and long wearing throughout the day. Now, the very first product that I'm going to be using in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you guys, is actually from our September Fall Luxe box. It is the Rare Beauty Confident Energy Eyeshadow Palette. And you need to see this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we are going to create a really easy look that you will want to recreate every day, I promise you. So first and foremost, here is a close-up of the palette. Absolutely stunning packaging. I am so amazed with this. Now, I do love the versatility of this palette because you can create a really bold look, but for today we are going to do a really soft glam look. So we will stay to this area of the eyeshadow palette. And even if you don't have this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to show you a few techniques that you could use to apply to any eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and start off with the very first color. And we are going to go in from lightest to darkest on the eye to create a really nice soft look. So to start, we are going to go in with this wonderful gold color, and it's called Strong, and I'm going to place that onto the lid. And I'm just picking that up on an eyeshadow brush that's nice and flat, and just putting it into the lid area. And this doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to buff it out. And then with a clean brush, we're just going to buff out the edges to really make it nice and soft and blend it out. And just in like windshield washer motions, just buffing out any harshness. Now for the outer corner of the eye, we're going to go in slightly smokier, and we're going to pick up this shade called Gutsy. And we're just tapping that on and slightly blending it into the earlier shade. And it's going to give you the perfect gradient. And then again, we're just going to buff out the edges because we don't want any harsh lines. And this will make it look really nice and soft. Then on a very small brush, I'm going to take that same shade and smudge it into the lash line to make my eyes look nice and awake. And slightly flicking my brush upwards to lift the eye shape. Then to really brighten up the inner corner of the eye, we're going to take this gorgeous shade over here called Elevate. And we're just going to pack that right into the inner corner. And look at that glow. It's going to make you look nice and refreshed. And we're just blending this right into our lid shade. And then now to complete the look, I'm just going to apply some mascara. And for today's mascara, we're using the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. This stuff is absolutely amazing at giving you a great volume. So Charmers, here's the completed look. This was quick and easy to be able to achieve on a day to work, to school, whatever you may need. And it was done in under 5 minutes. So we would love to see your recreations by tagging at Boxycharm on Instagram. We cannot wait to see you all on the next video very, very soon. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on brand new videos to come. Bye-bye, Charmers.